People love it when Andrej Karpathy says stuff. Last week, he tweeted about buying a Mac Mini to tinker with claws.
Cmd+AI.
Bought a new Mac Mini to properly tinker with claws over the weekend. The Apple Store person told me they're selling like hotcakes and everyone is confused, which I have been thinking about that quite a lot recently, just because like stuff might just happen in an industry that you have no idea about, and it's just what's caused this? Because yeah, like I bet half of them don't even know about what OpenClaw is or anything like that. I'm definitely a bit sus to run OpenClaw specifically, giving private data keys to 400k lines of vibe-coded monster that's actively being attacked at scale is not very appealing at all. It's so true. It's still an open source piece of kit, and you are giving it, you know, a lot, and you are trusting in it. Like, there's a lot of hate that's going on online about you know, OpenClaw going to get hacked and this and that, but we sort of know this. And I think, you know, certain API keys you give it, obviously being picky with what API keys you give it, locking down kind of like billing, if it's a AI API key, having like a billing notification or something. But it's interesting to know that he is playing with it. He's playing with these things. So if there's anyone who should be, you know, leading the charge when it comes to doing all this sort of stuff, Andrej Karpathy, which, by the way, if you didn't know, kind of started OpenAI and was like a chief CTO of like Tesla and stuff. He's playing. Then, you know, he's also mentioned here like Nanobot, Zero Claw, Iron Claw, Pico Claw, all of these smaller versions. But there was a nice comment left on one of my videos where someone said there's barely any difference. I don't know what the benefit is to actually just having a smaller like version. Maybe I don't know, but either way. And he finishes here, not 100% sure what my setup ends up looking like yet, but claws, again, that term, are an awesome and exciting new layer of the AI stack. So he's basically saying claws are these things that wrap the LLM and kind of take action on it. What did he say? He says something like, claws are now the new layer on top of LLMs, taking on the orchestration, the scheduling, the context, the tool calls, and kind of persistence to a next level. So that's what Andrej Karpathy said. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.